In this lesson, I'm going to show you a beautiful solo piano chord progression that can be used for introductions to jazz standards. We are playing in the key of E flat major today, so first let's play the scale. Now this progression uses the diatonic 7th chords, however we make a few tweaks to the chord qualities to add some more interesting colours and flavours. Let's first run through the regular diatonic 7th chords before we make any changes. The 1 chord in E flat major is E flat major 7, the 2 chord is F minor 7, the 3 chord is G minor 7, the 4 chord is A flat major 7, the 5 chord is a B flat 7, the 6 chord is a C minor 7, the 7 chord is a D minor 7 flat 5, and then we're back to E flat major 7. This progression starts on the 1 chord, so we start with E flat major 7. And then we go to the 4 chord, but instead of playing a major 7, we play a dominant 7. And I also add the 13 here. So that's an A flat 13. This dominant chord then wants to resolve either a 5th down or a half step down. A half step down is G minor 7, which is the 3rd or the diatonic 7th chord off the 3rd degree. But again, we're not going to play this as a minor chord, we're going to play it as a dominant chord. And I'm also going to add the sharp 5 and the sharp 9, which gives it a lot of extra colour and tension. So far we have E flat major 7, the 1, to A flat 13, the 4 dominant, to a G7, sharp 5, sharp 9, so 3 dominant. And then we go to the regular 6 chord, so C minor 7. The 2 chord would be an F minor 7 in the key of E flat major, but I'm going to play another dominant chord. Here we have an F13, so you see the 13 and the 9's here. And then I'm going to come up and I'm going to play the 9 here. And then I'm going to go to a B flat 13 voicing with the flat 9. So you could also look at this as a G triad over a B flat 7 shell. And then I'm going to go up and hit, again I'm going to hit the same notes, the G octave, but an octave higher. So let's listen to how that sounds. And then we can go into a tune, for example, Misty. So this exact progression can be used to approach any jazz standard that starts on the tonic. Of course we're in the key of E flat here, but you can transpose those voicings. And in fact, in the PDF download below this video, you can download this progression in all 12 keys. So finally, I will show you a few variations and we will use it as an intro for another tune in the key of E flat major. So I hope you've had fun with this lesson. If you're interested in more cool progressions and jazz standards, head over to pianogroove.com where we have lots of courses on this kind of stuff. Remember to take the PDF download below. You can find this exact progression in all 12 keys. So that means whatever jazz standard you're working on, you can find a cool progression to add at the start. I hope you enjoy practicing this stuff and that it brings you some enjoyment in your playing, and I will see you next time.